Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 4 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot, and now I'll chain 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now that we have chained 12, on the last chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now that we have created this loop, I'll chain 4. Then right here through this loop I'll make 6 treble crochet. Now we have 7 double crochets in total. It's 4 chain in the beginning of a row plus these 6 triple crochet give us 7 triple crochets in total. Now I'll chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 7 triple crochet. Now I'll chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 7 triple crochet. So now again I'll chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 7 triple crochet. Here at the end of row 2 we have 4 sets of 7 triple crochets. Now I'll chain 4, then through that 4th chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes our first square. So after we finish our first square we'll make another square, and after we finish 2 sets of 7 triple crochets I will chain 2. Now right here through this first square I insert my hook through this 4 chain loop, then I insert my hook through this 2 chain loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 2, then again through this 12 chain loop I'll make 7 triple crochet. Again now I will chain 2, then through the second square right here through this 4 chain loop I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through the loop of my current work and pull through. Again I'll chain 2, then through that same 12 chain loop right here I'll make 7 triple crochet. So Now to finish this square, I will chain 4. Then through that 4th chain, I will make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.